Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to do a creepy sort of monster sound effect. So basically this one's really kind of hard to do, but what's happening is I'm really compressing the sound at the back of the throat, and it's basically, I think it's best way to describe this is it comes from sort of a sigh. So if we're going to start, we're going to go like that and just sort of let the air out like that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to close at the back of the throat like that, a little bit more, almost kind of like a pig sort of squeal, but I'm trying to prolong that, so I've got to keep it going over a long period of time, so like that, but like that. So it's quite a complicated one and quite hard to do. It hurts the throat a lot, but what you've just got to do is just focus on the compression at the back and sort of work your way up to it. So if you just start gently, so like that, like that. And then what we do is we just close up a little bit like that, almost a bit like a donkey, like a bit like that. But what we've got to do is just got to keep that pressure right at the back, so like that. And then you just sort of pitch it a little bit, so a little bit like that. It's quite hard and it is quite painful, especially when you keep doing it time and time again, but it's kind of fun to do. And what you can do is you can sort of change the pitch of it as well, and you can like add effects like reverb and a couple of other things, and you can really get a good sound out of it. So or it's a lot of fun. Anyway, I hope that's been helpful. I'm going to have a glass of Coke now to sort that one out. But hopefully that's fun, and you can use it to really weird people out. Anyway, have a fantastic day, and definitely practice on your grandparents.